Hi everyone, I'm Troy, a product manager with QuickBooks Online. I'm super excited to share the awesome innovations that the invoicing team has been working hard to get into your hands. Today, I'll walk you through the story of Drew, a carpenter in Boston. Drew owns a company called Drew's Construction. His business has been growing rapidly over the last few years, and the busy work has become overwhelming. He relies on paper estimates, invoices, and paper checks to run his business. He spends more time organizing and filing papers than he cares to admit. Here's how QuickBooks can help. Starting from the initial customer conversation, QuickBooks is there for Drew with the newly rebuilt estimates feature. Easy to craft at a desk or on the go, he can create professional-looking estimates within a few minutes. Drew can now request a deposit right from the estimates form, helping him seal the deal on more jobs. After sending an estimate, he has complete visibility into when the estimate is viewed, accepted, and when the deposit has been paid through the estimates list and activity tracker. His customers can now easily accept the estimate and pay the deposit online. QuickBooks will also help Drew set up his invoices by offering smart suggestions. These suggestions are based on an assessment of his profession and recommend things like email subject lines or invoicing terms that can help get his customers' attention and get him paid faster. Drew's customers will also have access to a host of new features that make paying invoices more convenient. They can schedule payment for their invoice on a future date and see all of their outstanding invoices with Drew. They now have the ability to set up automatic payments on recurring invoices, making payments simple. These features, along with automated email reminders for unpaid invoices, help ensure that his customers won't miss a payment and that he won't need to spend time chasing down outstanding invoices. Soon, Drew's customers can choose to leave him a tip when they pay his invoices. As a carpenter, Drew works on job sites all over Boston. When he needs to collect payment from a customer in person, QuickBooks has him covered with the QuickBooks card reader. He can collect tips and even use the power bank to charge his phone if needed. Now that Drew has been paid, he needs to get access to that cash quickly to buy materials for his next job. To get those funds into his bank account faster, he can use instant deposit or same-day speed, which gives him access to those funds in hours, not days. QuickBooks doesn't stop helping Drew after he gets paid. QuickBooks keeps his business organized by auto-matching the correct transactions. We've added an extra layer of intelligence to auto-match payments and bank deposits, even when there are multiple payments of the same amount, removing manual work off of his plate. As his business grows, Drew might find himself in the uncomfortable position of having a chargeback. QuickBooks will soon offer a chargeback protection program which will step in and cover Drew in situations like these. Despite the coverage, Drew still has the option to fight the chargeback. He chooses not to since QuickBooks provides him a total protection of $25,000 per year, and he would rather spend the time growing his business instead of dealing with tedious paperwork to win the chargeback. That's it. We hope you enjoyed this demo and try out some of the features you saw today in your QuickBooks. We are continuously working to make it easier for small business owners and accountants like you to get paid and keep their books accurate. Fortunately, we have many more delighters on the way, so stay tuned and have a great QuickBooks Connect.